Hello, my name is Malthe. I am CEO and co-founder of Inniti, and we are digitalizing laboratories by connecting all the existing laboratory equipment to our software platform using this little device, which we call the Inniti connector. We provide our service of laboratory digitalization and automation as a software as a service to these. It was me and my co-founder Anders who, during university, came out and saw a laboratory and was quite surprised to see the lack of digitalization that was present in these laboratories. You could see that people with PhD and master degrees spend way too much time performing manual and really repetitive work when they're doing R&D work, quality control, and also upscaling of the procedures. And could just see the potential there was in the laboratories by introducing all the technologies from Industry 4.0. X-linker events are some of the best startup events out there. It's a really high level of startups and also some very good and open corporates that you bring to the table. So you can have a lot of really interesting dialogues and also have led to some very interesting contacts for us as a company. So it has given us a lot of insight and a lot of potential customers. For us, it's kind of a place to stay in touch with what is happening in the ecosystem. We can follow the other startup that are working on some very cool technologies for laboratories and for digitalization, and also get an understanding of where is it the big corporates are at, what is the problem that they are looking into solving, and where is it that they can see that technologies such as ours can bring a lot of value to them. So it's a way to kind of have the finger on the pulse on what's happening in the ecosystem. Very much looking forward to be where we are actually in 3 years because I have very positive hopes for the future. I can see how fast we are evolving now, both as a team and also our product. And we have a very clear roadmap for how we want to continue delivering more value for our customers through digitalizing the laboratories. I believe that we will have a much greater ecosystem around us when we look at Inniti in 3 years, so that we can basically connect to all equipment out there and are also kind of the center of the ecosystem for what we call laboratory digitalization. And I also believe that 5HT can be a big part of this because they're really good at setting up contacts between different companies, both with the corporates but also different types of startups. So we of course hope that 5HT will be a big part of this journey.